Oh, you didn't start
No, I
yet?
haven't started recording yet.
Let's go.
Oh, okay.
But yeah.
All right. We are in the Colony, Texas, which is part of the DFW Metroplex. And we are here at the Grandscape Shopping Center that was built, I believe, in 2020 or 2021, but it was fairly recent. Anyways, you're looking out the best view of the shopping center itself. Anyways, we're inside of this parking garage here, and you are not going to believe what kind of elevators they have here. This is the very ever first kind of elevator that came all the way from a Japanese division. You probably might know already, you've seen some of those elevators in both California and Las Vegas, or at least in main locations, but there's a lot in Chicago as well. So, with that being said, you're going to see one of the very first best prototype elevators, especially here in Texas. All right, look what we got. Oh, Colin's over there. Oh, you see that familiar black button call station? Look what we got. Mitsubishi. Oh, yes. The very first Mitsubishi in Texas. This is awesome. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm so excited to write this. I thought we stopped for a second.
Level 1.
Nice.
Going up.
Some of these doors are.
I don't think it's pressed.
Oh.
Level 6. Going down.
Let's see if I can ring the bell. You can stay inside.
Okay.
Oh, you can. Ah, this is. What do you think of this, Manny?
This is awesome.
You've never been on these elevators before.
Only once, but I never filmed them.
Just your typical stainless steel cab.
Should we just get off at 6?
Level 1.
I like to.
Going up.
Oh, I was gonna do some more rides if that's all right.
Yeah,
Alright.
I'll get off at 6 and I'll just wait for you.
Sure, no problem. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'll switch elevator cars at the same time.
Okay.
My gosh, do I love these elevators. I can't believe we got a Mitsubishi here in Texas.
Level 6.
I'll send this down.
And there's the only one in Texas.
I believe so, yeah.
Nice.
Definitely the only ones in Texas that I know of. I love these elevators.
That's it for me. I'm ending my video here.